Welcome to Millionaire DP, a place where future millionaires come to gain knowledge and get motivated through our millions of story. Hello, and welcome back to another amazing video. This time, we are going to be discussing how you can become a millionaire. So, becoming a millionaire is a reachable goal if you start at your young age and develop the right habits. The pursuit of a seven-figure net worth should be fueled by a desire for financial security, not a longing for status or a luxury lifestyle. We divide the whole process into 5 steps, so watch it carefully. Here are 5 steps to becoming a millionaire. First one, develop a written financial plan. Saying you want to be wealthy alone won't get you there. You must come up with a workable plan, put it on paper, and then execute it. The written plan forces you to do something, calculate what you need to earn, and how to invest. Written financial plan help you to how to use your money. It gives much more clarity to achieve your goals. Second one, get into the habit of saving. Saving money really means putting your own personal finances first. By making saving money a priority, you are boosting the chances that your financial future is going to be stronger than your financial present or past. Start by building an emergency fund in a savings account so you don't have to raid the rest of your savings and investments when a big expense arises unexpectedly. Explore your savings options to make sure you get the best returns on the money. Third one, live below your means. At starting, buying a big house or driving an expensive luxury SUV is too expensive a price to pay if it will reduce the amount of money you have available to save and invest. Always remember, financial success will be dictated to a large degree by how we manage our money, not by overspending. People who are serious about becoming a millionaire for financial security are less likely to blow money on expensive cars and lavish vacations at starting. They only focus on their saving and investing their money in profitable resources. Fourth one, invest in ways that work for you. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. You can start investing at very young age with less amount and slowly increase the amount. So, when you complete your teenage, you have much knowledge of investing as compared to other who don't start at young age. It's best not to invest all your money in one thing. Diversification, or owning many different types of investments, is less risky and will smooth out the ride. Stick with the basics, a mix of stocks, bonds, cash and real estate, and not what your friends are doing. You can also focus on increasing your investments or diversify further. Look into passive income opportunities. Last but not the least, start your own business. You must have to start your own business if you want to be a millionaire. Market research will tell you if there's an opportunity to turn your idea into a successful business. It's a way to gather information about potential customers and businesses already operating in your area. Use that information to find a competitive advantage for your business. Most important thing is that you have to identify the problem faced by your customer and try to find the solution and make your product according to customer problem. If you're going to start working on a 7-figure net worth, you must take a long view. Think of your life down the road and the importance of securing your financial future. If you want to be a millionaire, you have to sacrifice all your fun and work hard to see a better future. Is this video helpful to you? If yes, then type yes in the comment box, or if no, type no in the comment box. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this one. Leave us a like, we always appreciate it, and don't forget to subscribe.